What's up, guys? So after days or weeks of repeatedly braking, the problem child 97 GTP has finally decided to make it through an entire week problem free again, which is nice. And unfortunately though, all the sitting and all the repairs have left it pretty nasty and pretty sad looking. So in this one, we're going to be focusing on trying to bring the car back, trying to spiffy it up a little, clean it up a little, make it look better. See what we can do. The thing we're going to do is something with these headlights. This particular one is a little newer than the other one and not too bad. This is one of the original ones, which has definitely seen better days and been restored a couple times. I've got a couple new products to check out, so we're gonna see if we can't fancy them up a bit. So first I'm gonna start by cleaning and degreasing the lenses. You wanna make sure that you don't have any grease off of your hands on there. Sometimes you also need to kind of rough them up, but I don't need to on this particular application. Then I'm gonna follow that with a really thin first coat, followed by a little bit thicker second coat of the lens tint. I'm not going to make it very thick though, because I need to make sure I have plenty of light coming through it, since this is a headlight and I am tinting the entire light. Then I'm going to follow that up with 3 really good thick coats of the 2K clear coat to protect the lenses and the tint and keep it from fading, and also to give it a nice, decently shiny, glossy finish. And this is the final product. So next, I refresh the tint on the tails and hit them with the same 2K clear coat, a good 3 thick coats. Now we're just gonna sit back and let that dry for a few minutes. So after doing both the lights, I now have this problem, which I have messed with, and it does not seem to want to stop leaking. So we might be done with the clear coat review today. Okay, so it's the next day. I've given this overnight to harden and dry up as best as it can. Then I took it and cleaned the car a little bit, being careful not to clean the actual lenses, because with anything that you've just painted, you want to give it at least a couple days before you go scrubbing on it. But other than that, the 2 products I used, both new to me, the 2K clear coat was amazing. So far, I have nothing but good things to say about it. It sprayed more like professional paint. It feels a lot harder. It dried well. The Rustoleum lens tint, I'm not super happy with. I usually use the VHT Nightshades lens tint, which I prefer. Honestly, it sprays better, it's less blotchy, it's more of a black color, where this is more of almost like a charcoal or a smoke. But I think it turned out okay. So now that we're cleaned up, I'll show you guys what it looks like. how will this hold up in 3 days, 3 weeks, 3 years? Well, I don't know. New products, we'll find out. But if you want to find out, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will update you guys as we go along. And as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you drop me a comment and let me know what you think. And make sure you hit the like button on this video. See you guys next week. Peace.